Okay, right. Good morning, students. Uh, Today, I will be talking about the problems in continuation with the earlier problems. One minute. Uh, okay, right. Another problem which was asked in the examination, problem number 132. Y of t is equal to x of t whole square. Y of t is equal to x of t whole square. How to do this for x of t whole square? 1 minute. Y of t is equal to x of t whole square. So check for all the properties said. See, you should be very much careful. We have x of t whole square problem also has asked. X of t square also has asked. Okay, right? You should be very much careful while doing this kind of problems. Okay, first we shall go for the linearity problem. Linearity, we shall check it out. Linearity. Okay, right. So what is the condition? So condition is let x of t is equal to x1 of t, and therefore y1 of t is equal to x1 of t whole square. Let x of t is equal to x2 of t, y2 of t is equal to x2 of t whole square. Therefore y dash of t is equal to sum of the responses, x1 of t whole square plus x2 of t whole square. What is this one? Response when x1 of t is acting, response when x2 of t is acting, and both the sum of the responses when they're acting individually. Okay, call this equation as one. This should be equal to what? Responses when they're acting simultaneously. Let us take both of them. X of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t. Therefore, y double dash of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t whole square. Call this as equation number 2. So, y dash of t from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what is that you can understand? Y dash of t is not equal to y double dash of t, because x1 of t plus x2 of t whole square is not equal to x1 squared of t, x2 squared of t, because a plus b whole square is not equal to a square plus b square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus 2a. Hence, these two are not equal. System is non-linear. Okay, right. So that is the first one. Second one, what we have is linearity time invariance. Replace t t minus t naught. Y dash of t is equal to x of t minus t naught whole square. Okay, right. So that is your, call this as equation number 1. Replace x of t by x of t minus t naught. Y double dash of t is equal to, in place of x of t, you put x of t minus t naught. X of t minus t naught whole square, we get it. Because see, in the original equation, what is that we have? Y of t is equal to x of t. X of t is there. So in place of t, we put t minus t naught in the first case. Second case, we have put, what is that? Replacing t by x of t minus t naught. So therefore, both of them are same, and the system become time invariant. Call this as equation number 2 from 1 and 2. 1 and 2, y dash of t is equal to y double dash of t. Therefore, system is time Invariant. Invariant. Okay, right. Third one. Now we shall check for the causality. Causality is nothing but what? Its output should not depend on future value of the input. Y of t is equal to x of t whole square. Let us say t is equal to 2. Just if you want, you can check it. Otherwise, you can by observation only. You can check it out. Okay, right. So what is that? You can write it. Y of t is equal to x of 2 whole square. Okay. Sir, it become 4. No, it is x of 2. That is output at the instant. Output at the instant 2 is depending upon the input at the instant 2 whole square. So therefore, it is the output depends on 2 only. Amplitude is squared, right? So therefore, system is what? Time causal. Output depends on the present value only. So system is causal. Causal. Because output does not depends on future value of the input. Future value of input. So now fourth one, what is memoryless? It is a memoryless system quite naturally because it depends on present only, not on the future or the past. Memoryless system because output depends only on present value of the input. Okay. Fifth one, stability. Let us bound the input. Let magnitude of x of t less than or equal to mx, which is less than infinity. Magnitude of y of t is equal to magnitude of y of t is equal to magnitude of x of t whole square, which is nothing but equal to y of t is less than or equal to magnitude of x of t whole square. Y of t is equal to less than or equal to x of t. X of t is nothing but what? Mx square. If mx is finite and mx square is also finite as t tends to infinity, which is less than infinity, therefore system is stable. So that's how we should do it. Okay. So that is the problem we have seen in one of the papers. Similarly, we have one more problem. So I'll do it in short. So in detail, you can do it. One. Y of t is equal to root of x of t. Okay. So if you do this one, what is that we get? System is non-linear only. Why? Because we know that if you say that root of a plus b is not equal to root a plus root b. Therefore, system is non-linear. That also you can check it out. Okay, non-linear system. Yeah. And depends on the time invariance. Time invariant you will get it. And it is causal and is memoryless and is stable. So these details you can do it easily. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Similar to the last one only. So if at all, if any changes are, whatever the result we got it in the x of t whole square is same thing, you will get it here also. Okay. So that is problem number 133 rule. One more problem, what is that we have is y of t is equal to x of t square. So this is, we will get once again, see what is that we have is x of t square is nothing but linearity, you check it. What is that we have? Let x of t is equal to, let x of t is equal to, x of t is equal to x1 of t. Therefore, y1 of t is equal to, y1 of t is equal to x1 of t square. So when x of t is replaced by x1 of t, x of t square is replaced by x1 of t square. Okay, right. Let x of t is equal to, let x of t is equal to x2 of t. And y2 of t is equal to, y2 of t is equal to x2 of t square. Y dash of t is equal to what? x1 of t square plus x2 of t square. Call this as equation number 1. Let x of t is equal to, let x of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t. y double dash of t is equal to y double dash of t is equal to x1 of t square plus x2 of t square. Okay. Thus, x1 of t is replaced by x2 of t. So x1 of t is replaced by x1 of t square. x2 of t is replaced by x2 t square. So call this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, y dash of t is equal to y double dash of t. So there is a difference between x1 of t whole square and x1 of t square. x1 of t square is what? x1 of t is x of t is replaced by x1 of t and t is replaced by t square. That's how we should do it, right? You should be very much careful while going. See, when x of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t, x of t square is equal to x1 of t square plus x2 of t square. See, so when you're replacing it, what you should do is x1 of t square plus x2. That's why we get this one, right? You should be very much careful. Okay. 1 and 2, it is, therefore system is linear. On signal problem here. I think it's not clear. 1 minute. Wait for a while. There may be a signal loss. There may be a network issue. Is it visible? Anyone of you can tell?
So blur,
Hello?
sir.
Sir,
One
blur.
second. One ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅದೇ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. There may be a loss in the signal. Okay. Wait for 5 minutes until the signal get clear. Signal strength if you will get one. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes.